Most cleaning companies don't stand out. They're invisible in the neighborhoods with the best clients. But what if you could become the go-to cleaner in just 30 days? Here's the reality. Most cleaners are stuck competing on price. They can't get enough high-end jobs in the high-end areas, and their marketing is just random and scattered. And it costs more in time and gas to drive all over town for those random jobs when you could be servicing multiple clients all on the same street. Even worse, you throw advertising dollars all over town hoping you land a few clients in those good neighborhoods. You stay stuck, work harder, spend more, and you lose the best jobs to your competitors. But you could own the dream neighborhoods in your city. Homeowners would know your name, call you first, and refer you to their friends. That's exactly what I did in my cleaning company when gas prices skyrocketed. We picked a few high-end neighborhoods to target, and we capitalized specifically on those neighborhoods. We stopped wasting time and money chasing jobs, and we dominated those few upscale neighborhoods, working smarter and making more money. There's actually a 30-day plan that shows you exactly how to get into the best neighborhoods. It lays out how to multiply neighborhood referrals, how to use Google Ads, how to use postcards and EDDM postcards, and simple neighborhood marketing tactics that get attention. It's how to position yourself as the only cleaner that homeowners trust, with a step-by-step system that gets you into the neighborhoods that you want the most. And you'll see proof that it's actually working all within the first week. And then by the end of 30 days, you'll have homeowners in those exclusive neighborhoods looking at you as their neighborhood cleaner. You'll get fast wins now, plus long-term neighborhood domination. They'll keep referring you. They'll keep using you. So if you're ready to stop guessing and finally become the neighborhood cleaner in the neighborhoods that you always wanted to be in, click the link below this video. You'll get all the details on the 30-day plan there.